Gregory bound up in Crestline. We've done this hike before. It's really beautiful. Kind of flat hike, 2.3 miles. And let's check it out. Got my coffee. Starbucks. Lovely day for a hike. 74 degrees. A little breeze. Got some shade. What time? Did you sit here off?
9:26.
Yeah. Let's do like a half of one. How many can I do?
Good job. Show off.
Only 4. Got some work to do. Can you do the high part?
No.
Try. Or try higher, the middle. Not even close. All right, so what is this one? So leg workout?
It says step up, so you gotta go this.
Okay.
Up.
Legs burning?
Kind of.
Nice. You have abs of steel. All right. Got your workout done for the day. Wow.
Streams in here or something.
So Samantha's curious what these little birdhouses are for.
Bird-shaped things.
There's fishing lines that we put in there, or
I don't know. Oh my gosh.
this is like a Ninja Warrior.
I can't do it. I can't do
Come on.
it. No. That hurts.
Oh, I'm too heavy. So we walked around this whole lake. Woo! 2.3 miles. Took about almost an hour. It was lovely. Hike is coming to an end, Lake Gregory. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you rate it?
1 being easy.
Okay,
It was a nice walk. It wasn't really a hike, babe.
I know. For 1 to 10 for fun.
Yeah. Oh,
A 6?
yes.
Okay. I say a 6.2. All right. Stay tuned for our next hike. Keep checking this out for our next hike next week. We'll do a good one, right?
Yes.
See ya. Hey. You're getting too big.